all in all, naging smooth naman yung transaction ko. Medyo challenging lang yung sa akin kasi nga, nung pinanganak yung baby ko is COVID-19 during this lockdown. So, ayan, ngayon magto 2 months old na si baby ko. So, that's additional challenge. Pero overall, smooth naman yung mga naging transaction ko. And advantage na rin, sobrang konti ng tao dun sa PhilHealth kasi nga, lockdown. Our case, since private hospital nga yung pinanganakan ng wife ko, so mas mataas yung bill niya doon sa makukuha namin sa PhilHealth kasi nga 19,500 for the mommy. Yung difference doon, obviously, babayaran na namin. Pero all in all, sobrang laking tulong nung nakuha namin sa PhilHealth. Ganun na naman siya kasimple. Make sure you understand kung qualified ka ba, prepare all the documents, and then submit nyo siya in advance para if ever may kulang pa, maklarify nyo sa employer or maklarify mo mismo sa PhilHealth kung ano pang kailangan. Kasi 19,500 is a huge amount. Kung ikaw pa yung mag-shoulder, sayang din naman, di ba? You could have used that for your baby or for mommy's recovery. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, you have clarifications, feel free to put that on the comment section below. Pag-usapan natin siya. And if you also need a guide for SSS naman, we have that video. Link ko na rin sa description box below.